Wine Wednesday. We're trying to be a little bit thankful today, too.
Yes, and show you how you can make your Thanksgiving table a little extra special. Nora Murphy from Connecticut Country House is here to show us some beautiful options. Let's bring her in.
Hey, Nora!
Hi!
All right, Fred, you're not going to get away without a hug.
Come on.
It's
Good
so
to see you, sweetie.
Oh,
And good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right, so
We
you've
love having her.
Moved to Hadlime, Connecticut.
Hadlime, Connecticut from Newtown. You downsized a little bit. You went from
Yes.
horizontal to vertical.
That's right.
But in
And-
a historical building.
In 1820.
Absolutely, has to be.
It has to be. All right,
Yeah.
you
My
come
house
up
is
with
from
some.
1806.
Is it really? I didn't realize that it was that
Yeah.
old. Isn't that amazing? All right, well, you've made a beautiful
I know.
table
Let's
for us.
Talk about some of this. It's
This is
absolutely
spectacular, and you have
stunning.
tricks and trades along the way.
Absolutely. Before I touch anything at home, I always think of, okay, what's the occasion? Who's the audience?
Okay.
So this way, I wanted to show you guys two different ways to do a Thanksgiving table. One that was a little bit more, well, they're both nature inspired,
Yeah.
but one's a little more casual and earthy, and the other one is a little more elegant and dressed up.
So this is me right here. I'm
I like
elegant and
that.
dressed up.
I like both of them,
Although I do
though.
like this too.
See, it's a little
like both
different.
of
Well,
them.
that's country house style. There's
If
a little for
I went
everyone.
into somebody's house and the table was decorated like this, I would be very happy.
I would be happy, but I don't know. I like the wood. I like the wood touches. I like the gold and the feather. Everything is so beautiful.
Well, it's all about layering.
Yep.
Okay.
I always start with the foundation, and as Scott knows, I'm a lover of tartans, but one of the reasons I love it is that it's rich, and there's so many colors to play with and
Yeah.
pull from there.
I was just commenting on these.
Aren't they pretty?
Yes.
And this is this was from Home Goods, and believe it or not, it is cotton and polyester, so you can throw it in the washer.
That's fantastic.
But you can even wash wool too. Just
Exactly.
cold water. So
That's-
that's
So if
fine.
somebody spills, you're good.
You're good to
Yes.
go.
So what I always do is I first set the table.
Okay.
Now you may say, Nora, how weird is this? But it is a seagrass mat. What I love about it is that, again, it brings nature as your foundation
Okay.
off of your larger foundation. It has the green in it. It has a lot of great texture. Then I found these beautiful Pottery Barn Sausalitos.
Again, you know, Pottery Barn, this is
Stunning.
stuff in our neighborhood that we can go and shop for.
Yes, absolutely. And then part of what I wanted to do with this segment too was to bring my own china.
Really?
Because so many people just have white dishes, and
Yeah.
I have a simple, elegant one, and then the next table you'll see is a little bit more.
Well, you know, people don't really get a
fancy.
chance to use some of those nice heirloom pieces that they have, or
Exactly.
And you can layer that in here too,
Yeah.
and that would really, you know, again, I think it would really suit the vibe.
yep. This
Now-
is like a very harvest feel.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I found these little wooden plates.
I love those.
And I like to always have a little topper. So this really brings in the nature, as well as you can always later use this as your bread and butter
I
plate.
love it.
I
Now-
want to just we have 2 minutes left in this segment,
Okay.
so we want to make sure we get to everything.
And then we have natural linens. I stick in a turkey feather.
So pretty.
A turkey feather, how clever is that?
Isn't that fantastic?
Where do you get a turkey feather?
Oh, at
Salt.
my shop, little shop. The little shop in Chester, Connecticut.
I love
Okay.
it. I love
And
it.
then we
Terrific.
have salt cellars.
Beautiful.
And we have, if you don't have this kind of a wreath, you can just create it with your
And
gourds.
you've got gourds, pears. It's beautiful.
Okay, we're moving
this is
down.
a little bit more. You said a little bit more elegant.
Yes, this one, we start again with the tartan blanket,
Yeah, it's
but here
gorgeous.
we really need to get your place settings in place. This is a big blue and white bowl,
It's-
classic, elegant, full. You think it's full of pomegranates, huh?
I think it's full of
That's
pomegranates.
wasn't it the first thing I said? I was like, are those real?
Well, you know what's interesting? Part of it is pomegranates are kind of pricey.
Yep. Right.
So I get enough for the top layer, and then I get red Empire apples that match them for the bottom layer.
That's so beautiful. What a great idea.
I love an
Thank you.
edible.
And a little bit
centerpiece.
of lemon leaves
Yep.
in there. Also, we have
You got your evergreens.
pine.
Yep.
Is the pine from your yard, or is it faux pine?
No, I got this at Balix, my favorite nursery in
you
East
still,
Haddam.
You're
And
still,
then it
okay.
smells good.
And if you notice too, a little bit of the red comes in. And then these are my dishes from home. Also, this is
Yeah.
my
They're
everyday.
so beautiful,
And then
Nora.
these pretty things, little ship, you know, coastal Connecticut.
And you pick things up everywhere you go, Nora.
Everywhere I go. I just came
So-
back from a trip from South Carolina, so we antiqued the whole way back.
I love it.
So my shop is going to be like full.
I
Full.
love it.
Okay, terrific.
And just so you know too, kitchen towels for napkins.
That's a great
That's
idea.
such a great
Big
idea.
scale,
And then really
generous.
quickly, Nora, you're working on a new book, so when can we expect that?
Spring 24, we're shooting now. We're shooting my home, my new home in Hadlime, as well as 7 other houses.
Oh, wow.
They're fantastic.
We can't wait to see it. We can't thank you enough for coming in.
Thank you.
What
Fist
wonderful,
pumps and hugs to you.
wonderful, beautiful ideas.
Thank you.
I want to try this for Thanksgiving.
All right, if you are setting a great table, you have to have the party to go with it. Right up next, chef, actor, and dad David Burtka offers up some tips to keep the chaos at bay and make entertaining effortless.